In the previous class, we investigated more on how to make lists and find an index. Before we begin, make sure you completed the worksheet and made a private comment in Google Classroom. Today's lesson activity will be in code.org, Unit 5, Lesson 3. To warm up, let's review our common vocabulary. A list is just a collection of elements. An element is an individual item in a list, and it has a specific spot called an index. Our activity today will be focused on debugging list errors. Many of the bubbles will describe the problem for you, and you need to try a solution. Keep going until you get it to work. Debugging is the basis of programming. If you come across words or sentences in a list, rather than simple numbers, each letter also has an index. A string is a group of words together surrounded by parentheses. Again, all lists start with a 0 index and count to the right. In this example, there are 12 spots, counted 0 to 11. But how do we identify a single word in a string if each letter has a different index? We can use substrings and identify them the same way, using a line of code called mystring.substring, with index numbers in parentheses. For example, the variable mystring says this or that. So the substring of the word this is 0 and 4, meaning we are calling the first 4 index spots, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Also notice that we are using the spaces as list items at 4 and 7. To call the word or, we use substring 5, 7 to indicate the letters in the 5th and 6th spots. Begin debugging list in Unit 5, Lesson 3 and complete all the bubbles. If you get stuck on a solution, I've provided help in the Google Slides posted for today in Google Classroom. To wrap up today's lesson, complete Unit 5, Lesson 3, Bubble 12. Add 2 variable blocks to the Update button on event. Insert an item list to update the song and its position in the list. And insert an item list to remove a song. I can check your function code in code.org after 3 p.m. today.